Now, setting up your Google Ads account in Nigeria. This is a very crucial step. Kindly pay attention, please. This step is one of the reasons why I tailored this course to the Nigerian advertiser audience. So when you are trying to set up Google Ads account in Nigeria for the first time, please note that you do not choose Naira as your currency of choice from the onset. This is because even though you see Naira in the list when choosing your advertising currency, note that unfortunately you cannot change this later in the future. So when you get to the billing page where you have to put in your debit card, then it says this currency is not supported. I'm guessing it is because of the instability of the Naira currency. So for this reason, it is not advisable to choose Naira when you are setting up your Google Ads account for the first time. If you do, then when you get to the billing page, it will not accept Naira because it's not supported. So this means that you would have to create a new Gmail account and create a brand new Google Ads account for your business. It has happened to me and my clients over and over. So the best practice, in my opinion, is that when you're trying to set up a Google Ads account, then it is best to choose USD or pounds or euro as your billing currency from the onset. This means that you need to have a domiciliary account with either a Visa or MasterCard debit card in any of the above stated currencies. Please check the resources below for more information on how to set up your debit card for online transactions so that it will be easily acceptable for Google. Now, let me show you over my shoulder how to set up Google Ads, a brand new Google Ads account.